Would you ever pay $300 or more to fix this ugly bush? I mean, look at this disaster. It's blocking the house, covered in spider webs, and honestly, it's killing the curb appeal. Most people would hire a landscaper, but today, I'm saving hundreds using one tool I already own, my Ryobi chainsaw. Getting started is as easy as inserting the battery and letting her rip. All right, let's go ahead and get to work. I started on the back side of the bush and just watch this. The very first branch I cut off falls right on my head. Yep, rookie mistake. So here's the tip, folks. Always look up and cut from below first. That way, branches fall in front of you and not on you. After that, it's just powering through the rest. I decided that I didn't want to cut it down to the stump because I wanted it to regrow and look better next season. And unlike the previous owner, I will actually maintain the bush so that it doesn't get out of control again. This is one example of why I recommend that over time for homeowners to learn how to become handy and grow their tool collection. See, I originally bought this chainsaw about 2 years ago, but I had a tree actually fall down near the front of my house. So I saved money by cutting it up into small logs so that I could repurpose it for firewood for my fireplace. I saved hundreds of dollars by getting rid of a fallen tree and got free firewood out of it. And now I get to reuse that same tool all these years later to save more money. Check out the above video for my take and review of this Ryobi chainsaw. But here's the part most people forget about, the cleanup. I had piles of limbs and branches spanning around 20 feet. There was no way that I was going to haul all that myself. So I hired someone to help me, and it only cost me, just wait for this, only $120, worth every penny. And just look at the difference from jungle to clean and open. I got more work ahead of me to make the curb appeal better, but this was an important first step. If this was helpful, please hit that like button, follow me, and subscribe for more home ownership tips, as well as more DIY do-it-yourself home maintenance, renovation, and repair projects that save you money as a homeowner.